What is up, guys? Just want to show you guys my decal install for my truck, my business here. I went ahead and got this from Vistaprint. Not experienced at all, guys. Just used soap and water, and I used the squeegee that they offered online when I purchased it. Honestly, it was kind of easy for me to do. I did have this one little issue at the corner that I was just trying to get out. It just was not working, but it is what it is. I mean, honestly, guys, this one, it cost me about, I think, 65 bucks. Not bad, honestly. It's right here. This is the corner that I couldn't get, and what it is, but it is. Yeah, guys, this is the way it turned out. It turned out pretty good. Yeah, so go ahead and tune in for my content more as a content creator. Bye.